Hey everybody, Chris Lee with the MRL Company. Have a Caseta wireless update for you. I know a lot of you out there are very familiar with Caseta. You've had success selling kits in the past. It's a great way to introduce people to the great benefits of the Caseta wireless system. We have two new kits for you to look at today in this Caseta wireless family. All right, so the first kit we'll look at is the new Caseta True 3-Way Dimming Kit. That part number is P-DIM-3WAY-WH. This kit includes one Caseta in-wall dimmer, one wall plate, one Pico remote, and one wall plate bracket to mount that Pico. So great for giving your customers that magic three-way when they have a single pole that they want to turn into a three-way and they want to dim that light as well. The second kit we'll look at is the new Caseta three-way switch kit. So that part number is P-PKG1WS-WH. This kit includes one Caseta in-wall switch, one wall plate, one 2-button Pico remote, and one wall plate bracket to mount that Pico to a wall. Again, both these new kits from Lutron are great ways to introduce your customers to the power of the Pico, the power of Caseta, and also hopefully solving a problem for them or making their job a little bit easier. If you have any questions on those two new three-way kits from Caseta or any of the products from Lutron, please contact us at the MRL Company. Thanks and have a great day.